Hello everyone, here in this video we will talk about thoughts. Thoughts which we usually have almost all the times in our mind. What are they? Their characteristics, how they form, from where they come and their usefulness and destructive nature. Thoughts are part of our daily life. Whatever we know about ourselves are result of thoughts. And also it is practically impossible to not have thoughts. You too have experienced this. Let's go into this and try to find out more about it. Neurologists say the brain is a complex system and have trillions of neurons. These are the cause of information sharing from senses to brain, the five senses we have, and brain to senses back. The information is going back and forth. This is a continuous process, and even when you sleep, you can experience this. That some dream is coming in the form of thought. So, how brain do that, and why it do this? The function of sense organs is to notice the change and action around us and send it to the brain. Why they do this? Because the basic function is the survival of the body. So it can know upcoming threats from the environment and act afterwards. The whole experience also serves as a memory. So if in future something same situation happen, brain can have a familiarity of the situation. Let's coming back where what we were talking. So once the information gets collected, the quick analysis happen with the past collected information which is saved inside our brain in the form of memory. The comparison process then gives again a information which we called a thought, a picture or image. The whole thought process is more than this, but for understanding this would work. We have thoughts all the time, even when we move our head, listen to a sound, smell, taste and touch something. Thoughts are very useful. Because of them our actions are possible. Inventions are the result of thoughts. Our attitude, behavior, nature all shaped by thoughts. But all thoughts are not constructive. Some could lead to destruction and some are just unnecessary, which can cause confusion and migraine in the brain. Peace, satisfaction, success, sorrow, even time all have some subsets of thoughts. Think about this. Why we feel peaceful in visiting mountains, listening to a good music. But the present question now is how much thoughts are affecting our decisions in daily life and our self-image. Try to see this, and this is all for now. I hope this video has given you a perspective about the topic. We can discuss more about it in the next video. Till then, thanks for listening.